Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Make a full image and build a Windows recovery USB so you can recover if needed. Once done, open an elevated command prompt. Run bcdedit/enum firmware to list firmware boot entries and their GUID. You must record the identifier for Windows Boot Manager and the current boot order. Why? Because you will delete an entry and then reselect a default. Make sure to confirm names and GUID exactly, since mistakes here prevent boot. Next, you remove the Windows Boot Manager entry. Identify the exact GUID from the previous step, then run bcdedit/delete identifier to remove that entry. This removes the firmware reference. On EFI systems, make sure to also mount the EFI partition using diskpart, assign a letter, then delete the Windows boot files under /EFI/Microsoft/boot if you intend to remove the binary. Once done, verify by running bcdedit/enum firmware and check the boot order. Confirm the entry is gone before rebooting. Finish by cleaning up. Delete any leftover /EFI/Microsoft/boot files only if you are sure no Windows boot is needed, then unassign the EFI partition letter in diskpart. Once cleaned, set a new default boot entry or update the firmware boot order so the machine boots the right OS. Reboot to confirm success. If the system fails to boot, immediately use your recovery USB to run startup repair or restore the disk image. That is the single most important troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.